Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In part 2 of this video, we'll focus on choosing the right AGV system, safety considerations, and how to start a pilot program that delivers real results. Other AGVs act as an escort for heavy tools. For example, a cart might carry a heavy battery lift or a specialized torque wrench. As the car moves down the line, the AGV follows it at the same speed. This keeps the tools exactly where they are needed without straining the worker's back. Error-proofing is the final piece. The cart can use a scan to confirm system. The worker scans the car's barcode, and the AGV unlocks the specific drawer or bin that holds the matching part. If the wrong part is grabbed, the system alerts the team before the part is installed. This reduces rework and keeps the first-time right metrics healthy. What to look for in an AGV system for Japanese car assembly. Choosing a system requires looking past the shiny metal. You need a setup that stays running and fits into a crowded shop. The most important criteria are uptime, safety, and how easily the fleet can grow. If a system is too complex, it'll just gather dust in a corner. Safety and line compatibility, people detection, speed zones, and predictable traffic. Safety is the first priority because these bots share floor space with people. Every AGV should have lidar sensors or cameras to see nearby workers. They need soft bumpers and physical emergency stop buttons that anyone can hit. Good systems use speed zones to stay safe. An AGV might travel faster in a long, empty hallway but slow down to a crawl near a busy break room or a final assembly station. Audible signals and flashing lights let people know a cart is coming around a blind corner. You should also check that the system meets current international safety standards for mobile platforms, as these are often checked during factory audits. Flexibility for mixed models, quick changeover, modular carts, and scalable fleet software. Japanese car lines are famous for building multiple variants on one track. Your AGVs must be just as flexible. Look for modular designs where the top of the cart can be swapped. You might use a rack module in the morning and a scissor lift table in the afternoon. The software should allow for fast route edits. If your line layout changes, you shouldn't need a month of programming to move a pickup point. Ask vendors about mission success rates and battery life. Most top-tier AGVs use opportunity charging, where they grab a quick charge while waiting at a station. This keeps them running for multiple shifts without needing a manual battery swap. Implementation roadmap. How to start, measure ROI, and avoid common AGV rollout mistakes. Moving from manual carts to AGVs is a big jump. You don't want to automate the whole factory at once. A staged approach helps you learn the tech without risking a total line shutdown. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.